Alright, so here we have a Polar Wind 10-inch box fan. This is from 2010, and it's not anything super amazing, but it is reliable. At almost 10 years old, it is still running. Really don't have any problems with it, and it's been running in one of the bedrooms all summer without issue. So it's a nice little fan. Not anything to write home about with compared to our vintage stuff, but it is a nice little fan and it does get the job done. There's really not a lot to say about it. All plastic molded, three blade. It is a little dirty, but the problem is that even trying to split it up here, it's not easy to get a screwdriver all the way through. I don't think I have a screwdriver thin enough and long enough to get through here, or I'd have to dig it out if I did. So, not really a whole lot to say about it. We will rev it up. It is a 2-speed, and it's got a slide switch on the front. Still has a pretty decent coast down on it. There's just not a lot of difference between high and low. But that is 2010 Polar Wind Mini Box Fan.